What is eToro? eToro is a global social trading platform that offers a variety of financial instruments, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and ETFs. Founded in 2007, the company has grown significantly in popularity, particularly among retail investors. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Now that is out of the way, let's continue with our video. One interesting fact about eToro is that it was one of the first online brokers to offer cryptocurrency trading. This early adoption helped to establish the platform as a leader in the crypto space. Another lesser-known fact is that eToro's CEO, Yoni Asiya, is a former professional poker player. Some believe that his experience in a high-stakes environment has helped him to develop a successful strategy for the trading platform. eToro's popularity can be attributed to several factors. One of the key advantages of the platform is its user-friendly interface. Even novice investors can easily navigate the site and execute trades. Additionally, eToro offers a wide range of educational resources, including webinars, articles, and market analysis. This makes it a great platform for those who are new to investing. Another advantage of eToro is its social trading features. Users can follow other traders and copy their trades. This can be a great way to learn from experienced investors and potentially earn higher returns. However, it is important to note that copying other traders' trades does not guarantee success. One of the potential disadvantages of eToro is its relatively high fees. The platform charges a spread on all trades, which can eat into profits. Additionally, there are fees for withdrawing funds and using certain features. Overall, eToro is a popular and reputable trading platform that offers a variety of advantages. However, it is important to carefully consider the potential disadvantages before opening an account. Investors should also be aware of the risks associated with trading financial instruments, including the possibility of losing money.